Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here with Clematis Alpina, an early flowering variety. This comes usually a little bit before the Montana varieties, can reflourish. I have seen it personally in the summertime, but it's mainly a spring flower. And what is followed is little tiny seed heads that look like dandelions. They're quite ornamental in themselves, not yellow, but like the seed heads of the dandelion. And then you've got these delicate blue flowers with a white centre to them. This is really good if you've got a wall to cover in a shady spot or anything like that. And it's really just a bit more unusual, a bit more special perhaps than some of the regular varieties you see en masse. And yeah, really nice clematis to cover sort of any pergolas, or you could even have it as a standalone on an obelisk in a garden or something. If you want to add some height to borders, plant one of these, prune it after flowering, let it recover that in the summer. You've got a nice bit of foliage structure, and then come spring you're going to have a tower of flower. So yeah, that's Clematis Alpina. Really hardy, as the name suggests, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.